Hello students, welcome to Vipinsharma physics channel. Dear students, I have decided to share my 1 or 2 minutes experiences with you daily, as I have met 1,50,000 plus students in various parts of the country, and I got a chance to interact with so many students. So apart from physics queries, physics doubts, you know, students do ask about sometimes very, queries related to the studies, but very important, which I find very useful to share with you all. One of the student asked me a question, sir, what is the difference between uh, board studies and competitive studies? Like, what is the difference between CBSE board preparation or IIT NEET preparation? It can be any board, state board preparation also. Well, it's a good question. I gave a thought and replied instantly at that time. I told the student, dear student, the thing is that the basic concepts remains the same for the both. The basic concepts remains the same for the both, but what is the major difference that I can explain you with the help of an example. Suppose there are two good friends, the very good friends, and they are moving in jungle, and suddenly they come across leopard, furious leopard. Now what they will do, I'll ask a question to the students. What you will do if the two of them in the class are in the jungle and fierce leopard is just after you? What you will do? One of the students raised hand and told, sir, I will run away. I will run, sir, to save my life. I asked the other student also, what you will do, because you're the two friends. Sir, I will also run away. I ask a question. Running is what the basic concept? Running is what the basic concept? Fine. Now, who runs faster will save his life or her life? How? A person A and person B, suppose person A is running faster than B, the leopard will put his, clutches on the person B who is slower, because he will be trapped, she will be trapped very easily by the leopard. A leopard will be busy in his food, delicious food, and the faster person will save his life. Same is the case between competitive exam and the board exam. Followed? You have to create skill of running faster. One more question. One more addition to this. There are 10 lakh students appear in the NEET competitive exams, and 10,000 are selected. So you have to be 10,000 among 10,000. That's it. Easy is it, isn't it? Students, sometimes some people talk about the stress and all, that I will discuss how to manage stress. ये तो होगा ही होगा. ये गलत कॉन्सेप्ट है कि आपके ऊपर स्ट्रेस नहीं है तो आप जिंदगी में कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे. स्ट्रेस लेना भी ज़रूरी है. हाँ, एक्सेस ऑफ एवरीथिंग इज बैड. To be continued. Daily I will be sharing with you one saga thought. One is in Hindi or English, and other is in the pure English. Thank you all. Thank you very much. If you like this, do put comments and do WhatsApp me to 9814121996.